This is the Sprint 3 videocast of Group A09. My name is Ayush Pareek and I am the product owner of this project. On the screen right now, you can see all the team members associated with this project called Food Geek. The Sprint Master for Sprint 1 was Abhinandan, the Sprint Master for Sprint 2 is Vanshita, the Sprint Master for Sprint 3 is Anant, and I am the product owner, Ayush. Now, in today's world, we are provided with a wide variety of foods, not only by the food provider companies, but by a lot of restaurants, cafes, etc. But for health conscious people, it's difficult to decide what to choose because we have no idea about the nutritional configuration of the food items. In order to solve this problem, we have made an interface between food providers and the general public. The application aims to inform the public about the nutritional information of various food choices available in the market. Now, the basic functionality involves crowdsourced feedback of the food quality and services which are provided by the food chains and independent outlets. Another feature of this application is to act as a food ordering website where people can sign up, choose their favorite menu items according to the nutritional information, select a restaurant, and order food. So, in summary, this project is a health awareness and nutritional assistant for its users. Sprint 2 we had implemented some basic functionalities such as adding a new food item, searching for a food item, and other such basic functions. This sprint was more focused on the smart and the advanced features in the website since that was the running theme in these projects in the software engineering class. So it's a common knowledge that one size doesn't fit everyone, whether it's shoes, shirts, or amount of nutritional content. So we want to enable personalization in the domain of nutrition requirements, and so we have implemented a health tracker in our website. So let's go ahead and add some personal information. Let's say weight. Okay, I don't know, think 80 kg. Yeah, I don't exercise much. So okay, so there you go. Using our BMI information, the system has calculated the amount of carbs, fats, proteins, etc. that is suitable for us. To perform all this, we have used a research paper which argues that the calculation is very close to the empirical results. We have done some innovative additions to our food menu. Along with each food item, you will see a dynamic donut chart which shows the nutritional content of each item. Now, in addition to this, a star rating system has also been added to record the feedback of users. They can vote on the quality of a specific food item. Now, another feature added is a smart food button. This is associated with each item and it could be red, blue, or green, indicating whether the food item is unhealthy, moderately healthy, or super healthy. So, the ordinary food menu has been transformed into a nutritional smart menu which enables the customer to make health conscious decisions and also promotes and rewards nutritional diets provided by the food owners. So, let's see the order feature of the website. So I'm going to choose a restaurant from which I want to order. Let's say I choose a state and now I'm going to choose a city. Okay, so I get this restaurant and I can place my order in this restaurant. It is open now. So I can either choose from the lunch menu or the dinner menu. Let's say I'm going to take onion fries, charred octopus, and Gunthrop chicken. Okay, so I'm going to just so it has calculated the order and I'm going to submit it. Okay, so I'm getting a confirmation number and the menu. So now we will see the add food item feature of the website. This feature is designed for restaurant owners and food outlet managers who can add new food item to the menu so that people can be made aware about it. Okay, so this happens sometimes. Okay, let's try again. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to add a new food item. Let's say tomato soup. The cost is 200. Category is a starter. Restaurant, I don't know, Ayush food. Image, so this is a Google image of the food item. Tags, let's say spicy. Base ingredient is of course a fruit, which is tomato. Partial ingredient could be milk. Veg ingredient of course tomato, and there's no non-veg ingredient. So let's just fill in some values. Okay, so right here you can see that this is the new feature of the website. Using this diet information window, you can search thousands of food items and their corresponding nutrition info will pop up. So let me go ahead. So since we are talking about the tomato soup, let me search tomato. Okay, okay, so there we go. Tomato sauce, tomato powder, tomato Brazil soup. So you can also use this independently to know the health effects of your diet. So we have entered all the values. Now we can also generate a chart corresponding to the values entered. Now I'm going to go and submit this. So the recipe has been submitted. So this should appear in the menu. Chicken curry, this, pasta, shahi paneer. There you go. So the tomato soup has been signed to be moderately healthy, so it's not too dangerous and it's not a very healthy diet, and all the information that we had entered has been rendered on the front end. Summary, the purpose of this project was to build a user-friendly and smart food ordering experience for its users. We included various features in the project in order to make the entire process intelligent and easy. With the wide variety of functions that were implemented, some major ones were the addition of food items by users, nutrition calculator, dynamic graph of each food item, instant nutrition information widget, smart food button, star rating system, etc., each of which had a special smart function to be performed. Now, with each UI UX design, the software engineering principles were implemented in each sprint, and the class diagrams and activity diagrams had to be revised. So in sprint 1, we focused on decision making regarding various class designs, UI, UX, wireframes, activity designs, etc. And in the implementation part, we completed the basic application and its front end design. In sprint 2, we tried to implement the basic functionalities, which resulted in a rudimentary but a functional website. And sprint 3 was the most exciting part. It focused on the smart and advanced features which were hard to implement by themselves, and integrating them was another challenge. I think the user stories helped in figuring out the user requirements, and in spite of all the difficulties we faced, they were crucial in figuring out the feature selection and helping to solve the various issues which were occurring during implementation of different features. So, with the help of Food Geek, we hope that users can now order stuff at a cheaper and faster way while making sure that their health is in the optimum condition. These are the contact details. Thank you.